Alrighty guys, this one's gonna be a quick one. I just got this in the mail today. We're gonna take a look at it. Why did I buy this, you say? Because I spend my money on stupid things. I notoriously buy stupid things and get buyer's remorse almost immediately, and then I'm stuck with stupid stuff like this. So I saw this on Amazon for, I think it was 10 bucks. And I just had to have it. So that's the unboxing. Alrighty guys, see you later. Just kidding. So you're probably wondering what the heck this thing is. I am too. It is a diffuser for this flashlight that I don't have with me. I'm gonna have to go grab this thing. Hold on. Alrighty guys, I am back. I had to run upstairs. So it's a diffuser for the Baton 4 by Olight. Just a quick spoiler alert. This thing is awesome. I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and I have a Baton 3, I think it is, but this thing is absolutely fantastic. It has great battery life. This is the titanium version. I can't say enough good things about this flashlight, but we're not here to look at the flashlight. We're here to look at the diffuser. So let's see. I guess you just set it on there like that. And it illuminates the light, you know, around you like a lantern. You could set it in this here charge case, because you can use the Baton 4 while it's being charged. And it works like that. So I don't know, maybe this thing wasn't a bad idea. I was thinking about using this as like backpacking camping light. Bring the charge case, bring the light, and then you throw this diffuser in there and you've got a pretty versatile piece of kit. You got a headlamp, flashlight, lamp, all in this tiny little package. You'd have to, you know, store it separately, but so yeah, that was my purchase, $10 purchase. These are on Amazon. Let's take a look at this thing and see what it actually looks like when it's dark out. So really quick, that's what it looks like. That's for the front, and that side's for the back, for the pocket clip to nest and the button to nest into the diffuser. Moonlight. So let's go outside and take a look at it. Alright, so that's moonlight. That's the low, medium, and high, and turbo. I'm gonna say right off the bat that this is really bright. Like, it hurts to look at the diffuser, it's so bright. So that's kind of not good. You would have to kind of set it, I don't know, far away. It's definitely really bright. That's without it. That's back on. Without it. Back on. Let's set it on the table here. So it does illuminate. Illuminates pretty decent. It's super bright, so you would probably want to set it like behind you or something. And you know, if you're running it on high, it's gonna kill your batteries. I think low would be good inside of a tent. Without being inside of a tent, it's kind of hard to say, but the reflection of the fabric will probably make it a little brighter. So it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but I don't know. It's hard to say. I think it'll work. I'll just have to take it on a camping trip and really see how well it does work. If it's just going to waste batteries and blind me, or if it's going to be a useful lantern. I think that's kind of where you would be using something like this, is probably inside of a tent. But it's really bright to look at. So wherever it is, it's got to be out of your direct vision, if you know what I mean, because you're just going to be blinded by this bright light. I was planning on using this anyway, so throwing that diffuser in my bag isn't gonna weigh me down at all. So that's facing me. Moonlight, you can't see me. That's low. And medium and high. So I mean, it works. It does what it's supposed to do. Real quick, I just kind of realized something that might be useful is that lid will come up and it'll block the diffuser from hitting your eyes. So I didn't know that activated it. That's cool. So on high mode, I can turn that around and it doesn't blind me, and it illuminates very well. So this just gets a couple extra points in my book just from that. Let's try it like this. That's neat. It's blinding me now though. And now it's not. Alrighty, that was pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys that. I think it's cool. $10, why not? Hopefully it works out, you know, in an actual use, real world application, rather than just what I'm doing. So that's it. Alrighty, guys. See you next time.